Hey guys, it's Maximum Mechanics here.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to take off some running boards. What kind of tools you're going to need.
So the tools you're gonna need is a ratchet and a socket. Find your socket that fits and just ratchet it off.
We're going to show you how to get removing these. The first step is going to be locate your bolts.
This is what needs to come off to get these off.
And now you're going to get your socket. You'll get it on there, take it off. Impact is really convenient.
Yeah. Look at the goose in here.
My bolts were like really long, so I was wrenching on it for quite a while. As you can see, there's a little time lapse of it. And then you'll move down to the front. Here's that bolt right there. And then you'll do the same thing. And we had somebody else hold it up because it's going to fall when you take that bolt off. You don't want it to fall on your face or anything. And then you just take it out. Brackets, they're just one bolt too. You can probably see them in the clips. Then just move them out of the way, keep them, throw them away, whatever you want to do with them. And now you don't have any running boards anymore. And don't forget to like and subscribe and go check out our other videos. You can subscribe here or check out our videos here. And we'll see you guys next time.